Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Beach Buggy Racing game. So let's get started. First, open the Beach Buggy Racing game. Tap on the settings option from the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you can see the privacy option. Tap on it. Tap on the reset game option. Tap on the yes button to confirm your decision. Finally, tap on the yes button once more and reset your progress on Beach Buggy Racing. And this is how you can reset Beach Buggy Racing game. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.